Hey, Darlene from Petal Academy here. I wanted to share a quick little hack that I do beside my garage, an area that doesn't get a lot of rain, so it requires a lot of maintenance. And this year I took a wall planter, attached it to the wall, and filled the bottom with pool noodles, which is a great solution because you don't have to fill the whole thing with soil, and it will create a bit of a base in there so it gets the floor level up for me. Then I took a grapevine wreath, I loosened it all up and spread it apart because it really softens the lines between that hard metal and my planter. I've taken a liner, which was an old herb planter, I think from last season, and I've planted a 6-inch sedum in here and a 6-inch hens and chicks, which are both perennials that can go into my garden afterwards, and they require very low water, which is a great solution for this spot. I've also added some rocks and a couple of logs in here and some curly willow branches that I had left over, and it looks fantastic. It's low maintenance and I couldn't be happier because it's just an area that's always a bone of contention for me through the season. Thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy.